Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive deep into the world of Apple's cutting-edge innovation with the introduction of the Mac Mini M4, a device that's poised to redefine compact computing. Packed with advanced features, a sleek design, and unprecedented performance, the M4 Mac Mini is more than just a desktop. It's a powerhouse that fits seamlessly into the future of technology. Let's break it down and explore why this device deserves your attention. A design revolution, compact and sleek. Apple's design philosophy has always been rooted in minimalism and elegance, and the Mac Mini M4 exemplifies this ethos. Measuring only 5.9 inches tall and 3.6 inches wide, it's a marvel of compact engineering. This petite form factor ensures it can effortlessly integrate into any workspace, whether it's a bustling office, a creative studio, or a cozy home setup. Its portability is unmatched, making it easy to transport without compromising on functionality. The exterior is crafted with precision, featuring a smooth aluminum finish that exudes sophistication. Apple's iconic logo subtly graces the top, serving as a reminder of its legacy in delivering exceptional devices. Beyond aesthetics, the design is functional, ensuring optimal airflow and accessibility. Thermal management, cool, quiet, and efficient. Thermal performance is a crucial aspect of any high-powered computing device, and the M4 Mac Mini does not disappoint. Apple has implemented an advanced thermal architecture to ensure the device remains cool and quiet, even under heavy workloads. Enhanced heat sinks, strategically placed to absorb and dissipate heat efficiently. Optimized airflow, a chassis design that promotes seamless heat exchange. Intelligent thermal software, dynamic algorithms that adjust fan speeds and cooling mechanisms in real time, maintaining optimal performance and acoustics. This meticulous approach allows the M4 processor to operate at peak levels for extended periods without thermal throttling. Whether you're editing videos, rendering 3D models, or running intensive simulations, the M4 Mac Mini keeps pace effortlessly. Connectivity, a future-ready interface. The Mac Mini M4 reimagines connectivity with a versatile and comprehensive port selection. It caters to a wide range of peripherals and accessories, ensuring seamless integration into diverse workflows. USB-C ports, 2 ultra-fast connectors for rapid data transfer and support for external storage, high-resolution displays, and cutting-edge peripherals. 3.5mm headphone jack, a timeless feature for connecting headphones, speakers, or audio equipment with ease. Thunderbolt compatibility. The M4 Pro model supports Thunderbolt 5, while the base model offers Thunderbolt 4, ensuring high-speed data transfer and multi-display setups. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Enhanced wireless capabilities for uninterrupted connectivity. These features collectively make the M4 Mac Mini a hub of productivity, enabling users to expand its capabilities and customize their setups to meet specific needs. The M4 chip, a new era of performance. At the core of the Mac Mini M4 lies Apple's groundbreaking M4 chip, a technological marvel that redefines what's possible in compact computing. This system-on-a-chip, SoC, integrates the CPU, GPU, and neural engine to deliver unparalleled performance. Everyday excellence. From web browsing to multitasking and content creation, the M4 chip ensures a smooth and responsive experience. Professional power. Tasks like video editing, photo manipulation, and 3D modeling are executed with precision and speed. The M4 Pro variant takes this a step further with enhanced processing power and a dedicated GPU. Memory and storage, tailored for versatility. Apple's unified memory architecture in the M4 Mac Mini is a double-edged sword. While it offers impressive performance by streamlining memory access, it's non-upgradable post-purchase. Therefore, selecting the right configuration during the initial setup is crucial. Memory options, starting at 8GB and going up to 24GB, with 24GB being ideal for demanding applications. Storage options, ranging from 256GB to a massive 8TB, catering to diverse storage needs. These options ensure that the M4 Mac Mini can handle everything from basic tasks to complex projects, making it a versatile choice for various users. Real-world performance, gaming, creativity, and productivity. While the Mac Mini M4 can handle gaming, its performance is limited by the software library and the integrated graphics in the base model. However, it truly shines in creative and professional settings. For video editors, photographers, and developers, the M4 Mac Mini offers a seamless and powerful experience. Comparing alternatives, finding your perfect fit. When evaluating the Mac Mini M4, it's essential to consider how it stacks up against other Apple offerings. Mac Studio offers greater expandability and superior GPU options, but comes at a higher price point. iMac, an all-in-one solution with a built-in display but limited customization options. The Mac Mini M4 stands out for its affordability, compactness, and versatility, especially for users who already own peripherals. The final verdict, a compact powerhouse. The Mac Mini M4 is a testament to Apple's ability to innovate and deliver exceptional computing solutions. Its refined design, advanced performance, and versatile connectivity options make it an ideal choice for many users, from casual consumers to demanding professionals. The M4 Mac Mini can become a vital part of your digital ecosystem by understanding your specific needs and selecting the right configuration. It's not just a desktop computer. It's a gateway to limitless possibilities in compact computing. Stay tuned to technology in the future for more in-depth reviews, insights, and the latest in tech innovations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates.